Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to DoDreamOn if you're new, and if you already a dreamer, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Okay, today, super duper excited to go over Siser's Strip Flock Pro in light pink from none other Heat Transfer Warehouse, you guys. I am so excited because I've been trying to figure out what this flock, suede, velvety feel vinyl is all about. And yes, do not confuse this with rhinestone flock. It's two different things. So when you search the website with my link down in the description, make sure that you look up Strip Flock Pro. Okay, because it is a difference. So I'm so excited to try this out. It gives like a suede feel, feels velvety to the touch, and it gives like a raised texture. It can be layered. It's super cute, comes in a ton of different colors. So I want you to check out my link down below for Heat Transfer Warehouse. And you guys, they're having tons and tons of cyber deals. Yes, tons of different deals and different things. And who knows, this may be on sale as well. So make sure you check them out and look at all their deals and see what's going on at Heat Transfer Warehouse right now. And you know what? We're going to go ahead and put this flock, because I'm sure it's the bomb. I already know it is because it's from Heat Transfer Warehouse, onto none other a BELLA+CANVAS zip hoodie. Okay? So we about to get just a little bit fancy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put something on the back and probably on the right chest. So we're going to just cut out a cute seasonal design and let's get to it. Let's see what this flock do. Wait, y'all. But we will be using, which I got from Heat Transfer Warehouse as well, our wonderful Siser Romeo in the back there. Woo! So what we're going to do is see how great the strip flock is, but we are going to be seeing how great this Siser Romeo is. You guys, this is an amazing cutting machine with vinyl and all types of items, okay? But specifically today, I want to see how great this is with flock. Flock is a little bit harder and stiffer than regular vinyl, so we are going to pay attention with how accurate and amazing this Siser Romeo cuts our flock today. Yeah, so let's just go ahead. I'm going to take you really quickly, not too deep, inside the Leonardo design space so we can look at the design. You guys can see the measurements, all of that good stuff, and we are going to test it. I'm so excited because I got this and I haven't tried it yet. So let's just jump right into the video. Let's go. Okay, so I have the design inside of Leonardo design space. I have the image at 10.531 inches in width, 7.679 inches in height for the back of the hoodie. And then for the front, 4.188 inches in width and 2.535 inches in height. Okay, and I'm just going to go ahead. I'm in Leonardo design space, as you guys can see. I'm going to press send design. I want all of it. All artwork to fit on the page. Send. Now it's in the design area. We are going to mirror it. Okay, so I'm going to mirror it. And then let's go ahead, connect it. Wi-Fi connected. It's mirrored. Everything is all set there. We're going to send to cutter. Can you see that? Firm, yes. Oh. Let me go ahead. I do want to let you guys know that my Siser Romeo is cutting with a speed of 10 and a force of 35. I did test it to make sure, and it's cutting beautifully. Okay, y'all, so y'all know I'm still learning the Romeo. The image wasn't in the correct spot on the mat, which was 100% my fault, but it's okay because we still going to use a portion of it. Okay, it's peeling off really good. peeling off cool. I didn't know what to expect because, you know, it's a different type of material. So I was a little nervous, but it's peeling off good. And I purposely got the thin type of fonts. I always try to see what it's about for real. Okay guys, so as I'm weeding this, and I'm not fast forwarding because I want you to see my process of it. As I'm weeding this, I want you to know a few things. This flock is super nice, you guys. It's thick, so it doesn't weed like easy weed or different things like that. It does take a little bit more but the Romeo cut this thing so good, especially with it being intricate cursive pieces. If you've been doing vinyl for a while, especially heat transfer vinyl, you know that sometimes if you cut intricate wordings and fonts and cursive, that is hard. This Romeo cut it so good, you guys. So just pack your patience and be patient with peeling and weeding the vinyl up. But it turned out so good. Let's keep watching. Okay, so the first design the big design kind of was cut off. So what I'm going to do is I am going to recut the big design because it was cut off, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and recut that. Okay. So now we are going to resend it to the cutter. Okay, I should have just left it where it was. Y'all, I just love the way Romeo sound when it's cutting. Anywho, now I'm going to go ahead and weed this out. Now, in the beginning of the video, I kept saying we want to see how great this Siser Romeo cuts. If you guys can see, look how thin some of the letters are. And then if you saw how thin the cursive letters were before, you see this cut is extremely accurate. And even though this strip flock is a little bit thicker, look how amazing it cut through the thickness. Like, look when I pull that up, the accuracy of the cuts and how it's not messing anything up. Look at that. Like, in between the letters and everything. This Romeo machine is the bomb, y'all. Like, look at that. Even with the little cuts of the trees, like the leaves of the trees, the Romeo was so accurate with those things. And that's what you look for when you're looking for a cutter, baby. Okay, so now we are all set and ready for the next steps. I love it. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and put it onto our heat press. And we about to press this thing and see how it works. Okay, so per usual, you want to make sure that you lint roll, you pre-press, and you prep your shirt or hoodie, etc. so you get the moisture out, so you get the wrinkles out, and the HTV can lay good. Okay, so for me, it was a little bit hard with a hooded jacket because you want to make sure the hood doesn't cover it completely up. So it's a little bit trying to get it in the middle. We just gonna do it like this. I don't know if it's the middle or not, but it's gonna work. Luckily, it's for me. And I am going to go ahead and cover it with a Teflon sheet. And the direction said 311 for 10 to 15 seconds, and you can press it down again. I'm gonna do it's supposed to be 311, but it's hot, so 312 for 20 seconds, and then we're gonna press it down again because y'all know I'm extra, and we always prefer more than less. Okay, so let me let y'all see it right there. Okay, we are more than less girl over here. So we're going to go ahead and let it count down. You do want to make sure that because it is kind of felt and velvety, some of the letters or ends may try to piece down. So you want to make sure that it's not rolling up with the flock. I did go ahead. It looks good. I hope y'all can see it. But I think I want to just press it again. Only because they said it. So I'm like, it must be a reason. So I'd rather do it twice and do it nice than mess up, okay? So we're going to go ahead and press it. And I got to see if it's a hot or cold peel. Y'all, I did press it for twice. I'm going to sit it there for a second. And I need to see if this hot or cold peel. Y'all, my phone was there. My computer is there. So I just peeled it hot. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and peel it on up. Ooh, it's stuck down good. I like it. I like it. I like it. Ooh, wee. It feels so good. Oh, I like this. Yeah, this feels very expensive, guys. I'm going to let you guys see it. This feels good. Oh, my goodness. It feels good. It looks good. This literally can elevate your business. Because when people feel this, this is a game changer, guys. This is a business elevation in my opinion. I love it. So I'm sure I should have done this part probably first. And I'm scared about the zipper. But I'm still going to just go ahead and do it. And the placement, all that stuff is just wherever I put it. Because it is what it is. Okay. So we are going to take this down. And I think I put it on the right side. And I should have did this first so that I could have got the back. But we here now. So I'm going to go ahead, press this really quickly in the zipper in there, y'all. Oh goodness, I'm scared. But we doing it. We here. So that was just the first 20 minutes. And I think I'm going to see if it did it just the first 20 minutes, y'all. I mean 20 minutes, 20 seconds. Let's see. It laid down in just the first 20 seconds. Okay, so it did it just in 20 seconds. I didn't want to keep doing this. It's not even that hot. But I just did the front 20 seconds one time. Okay. You guys, this turned out so cute. Once again, I did this one at 311 for 20 seconds. It laid down flawlessly. No issues. And I'm in love. Now, let's talk about it. OMG, dreamers. We did it. Look how stinking cute this strip flock is. You guys, I need y'all to really see it. I need y'all to get into it, baby. Get into it. It turned out so good. The real deal is I wish y'all could feel it. It feels so good. I'm in love with this cozy Bella canvas. The links to the strip flock, the links to the Bella canvas, the links to the Siser Romeo, all from, oh, it's gone. The Siser Romeo not there. The link to the Siser Romeo as well as the Siser Strip Flock Pro in light pink and whatever color you like will be down in the description. Like I said earlier, check out Heat Transfer Warehouse's cyber deals because they are popping right now and you do not want to miss out. Go check all those things out. The Bella Canvas link will be down in the description as well. All the links will be down in the description as well as all my social medias and everything. But you guys, I hope you like this video. It turned out super duper cute. I'm actually really digging this flock and I'm not just saying that. I really like this. This is literally an upgrade to me for HTB, honey. It feels luxurious. It feels expensive. Like, this is really, really nice. does feel velvety, suede like feeling, but I'm really digging this. And this is my first time using the flock. Now I will say pack your patience a little bit with the weeding, because although the Romeo cuts it supremely, it is thicker. So it's a thicker material to weed off. So it just takes a little bit longer, but the cuts are good. It's just you have to be very careful with the weeding. And like I said before, I purposely got cursive and thinner letters, and I always do that so we can see how it'll be, because big thick letters and images always work well, but when you get those intricate cuts, that's how you know that Romeo is the one. Okay, the Romeo 8 on this. This was a great project. I'm feeling very successful with the project, so that's a wrap. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, holla at your girl. If you have not already, please join our Facebook group, Crafty Queen Dreamer. We love it over there. Follow me on Instagram, DoDreamOn is the handle. TikTok, DoDreamOn is the handle. And I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. Anywho, y'all be safe out there. You hear? Keep on dreaming, dreamers. Bye. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.